Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an LS error and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to get rid of it. So the LS error this is a front loader, but it would be with a top loader. It's with the lid switch, so the lid detects when it's open or closed. And so it's having trouble, it's having some kind of error with detecting when it's open or closed. So it might actually be because it's open and you're trying to start it and it's open. And it's going to after a while, it's going to give you this error. Well, you just need to close the lid. But you might say, hey, but the lid is closed and it's giving me this error. Well, so then you need to figure out why does it think it's not closed when it is. And it could be something as simple as like, a piece of clothing that didn't get fully put in the washing machine and it's keeping the lid from being closed properly. It could also be the lids on the lid switch. There could actually be some gunk or something, or some lint blocking the sensors from touching and knowing that it's closed. And then if it's not that, you can actually just kind of clean the whole thing off. Put like some alcohol in a towel and sort of wipe everything off. Get all the contacts and everything clean so that it can sense that it's closed. And then you should be able to get rid of this error. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.